Ito yung view, guys, during the day. So, ito yung strip, guys. Meron silang tinatawag na Las Vegas Strip. Road na yan hanggang sa sobrang haba. Like, sobrang daming hotels. Tig-isang gilid. Tama ba? So, yan, Win. Part yan ng dito, sabi ata. Babe, is that building part of this building?
He used to own both of them, but I think he got divorced, and I think his wife got that, and he got this one. I think so, yeah.
So we got the husband's building.
We got the husband's building.
And that's the wife's building.
Wynn, that's Wynn. So Steve Wynn built a lot of the casinos in here. He's like the major casino guy.
Alright.
A lot of the casinos here, yeah.
Char, alam mo talaga yung history.
Thank you.
Yan, lalakarin namin yan, guys, because we want to check out not all the hotels, but most of the hotels we will check out. Kasi sabi ni Dan, tig-isang hotel, iba-iba talaga daw, guys, and magaganda daw talaga. Yan, mahaba-habang lakaran to, guys. But today we will go to Fashion Mall, which, where is it, babe? Is it that one there?
That's right, and you can see that's Daddy Trump's building right there.
Right there, people. Yeah, Trump's building. Hindi ko alam na may mga ganun-ganun pala, strip pala, until Dan told me. And haba-habang lakaran to, guys, but it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be really cool. Do you have the energy, Malang?
I'll get the energy, don't worry.
You look really good sa umaga. Ako para akong ewan. Si Dan looks really good in the morning. And I look like a piece of poo.
I've got a list.
Oh, patay na. Ito na tayo sa mga lista-lista. The book! America book. Charlo!
Okay, so Bellagio fountains.
Yep.
That's like. So
Diba maganda yan? That's one of the fanciest one.
Yeah,
isn't
that's
it?
where they've got these fountains that shoot up. Bellagio, Conservatory. We're going to check out the Wynn, Bellagio, Caesars, Palazzo, MGM, Mirage, Cosmopolitan, New York, New York.
Yep.
Venetian, Mandalay Bay, Paris, Planet Hollywood, Flamingo, and Lux.
Okay.
So there's about 10 or 12 there.
Okay, no, that's alright. Meron pala kami buffet breakfast today, so I'll go get ready, my love. I'll go take a shower.
It's a nice day in the USA. The sun is shining and the birds are chirping. Chirp, 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 chirp. There you go.
Is that a bird? Is that how the bird chirp?
That's
Chirp,
my
chirp.
bird. Get ready so we can eat.
Palakad na kami sa breakfast. Look at that. Tita Sue is wearing it. Adobo.
I like it. Good job, thank you.
Thank you, Tita. Salamat po. Ito lang yung suot ko, guys. Ano tawag dito? Jumpsuit. Pero breakfast muna tayo, guys. I need my coffee. Buffet, guys. Dito siya. Mahaba-habang lakaran din papuntang buffet, ha? Exercise muna bago kain. Oh, here we go. Do you remember a room number?
No.
6122. Ito na naman yung mga totoong flowers, guys. Ang ganda. Pila-pila pa, guys. Ang daming tao. Nag-ano na kami, parang magbabayad ka. Meron siyang bayad. Pero, yung room number namin, included siya breakfast. Sabi nila, meron silang i-charge. Thank you. Thanks. Meron silang i-charge, pero they will cover it at the end of the stay. So, wala kaming babayaran. Morning. Guys, here we go. Buffet. Yan. Pakita ko muna sa inyo, guys, before ako kukuha ng pagkain. There's so much hot food. Mas dito ako na-excite sa hot food. Chicken noodle soup. Oatmeal, babe. Southern grits. Ano yan? Wala na tayong alam dyan. Ooh. Mga pastry, oh. This looks good. Yum! Ano yun, guys? Calamari? Yes. Tomato sauce. Miso soup. Yum! I want that. Ito yung mga bet ko. Chips. Pizza. Kay Danny Boy. Ito yung nasa plate ko, guys. Hindi ko pa napakita sa inyo yung lahat. As in, mayroon pang meat section doon na ipapakita ko sa inyo bukas. Kasi na sobrang busy. Pero I got calamari, miso soup, Danish bread. Ito sabi parang cheese something. Hindi ko pa na-try. Pero pork bun, pork barbecue bun yan. And then ito parang meron siyang corned beef na may... Ay, naku, walang rice. Did you see rice there, babe?
I didn't see rice.
No, wala no.
You don't have rice.
Ano yun sa'yo? What's this, babe?
Just like a pudding.
Pudding, and ganyan yung plate ni Dan, guys. So, he went to the meat section. And yeah, may mga sobrang laking meat doon. Tapos hingi ka lang ng slice kay kuya.
I think there was a middle section that we didn't see either.
Really? Ah, meron pa. Second plate ni Dan, guys. And third plate.
2.5.
2.5. Okay, babe.
Full plate.
Yung akin, hindi ko pa naubos. Kaya lugi ako sa mga ganito, guys. Yung mga buffet.
Has toffee apples,
Okay.
ice cream,
Ooh.
and just all desserts.
That's you. That's for you.
I walk around with toffee apples.
Do you wanna go back for dessert?
We'll see how we go.
Oh. Yung second plate niya, wala na. Uy, busog na ako. Hindi ko nga maubos-ubos to. Oh. Tapos yung may suko, guys. Tapos na kami kumain, guys. Gusto lang ipa-film ni Dan yung desserts kasi ang sarap daw. What? Go ahead, babe.
Oh, no, okay, that one is another day.
Candy apples. Ice cream, guys. Ito. And macarons.
What are they?
Macarons? I don't know. Hindi pala siya macarons, guys. Guys, ang ganda, guys. Ito yung nakita natin kagabi. Tapos ngayon may Christmas tree na. Ang ganda. Ito, bumili ako ng mga ganito, pansetiya na gold. Hindi ganyan, parang glittery gold yung akin. Hala, ang ganda ng Christmas tree. Guys, ang lapit lang namin sa Chanel, so might as well. Char, might as well talaga. Sabi ko kasi, mamaya na sana to. Char, mamaya na sana talaga. Dito kasi kami. Hello, may Dior din dun, babe. Ang ganda talaga ng aesthetic ng Dior. Nakakatakot naman. Wait, pasok tayo sa Chanel, guys. Guys, ito yung medium na classic flap. Perfect yung size niya sa akin, guys. Kaya lang wala sila nung gold. Char, feeling naman bibili. Gusto ko yung gold, tas ganito, caviar. Ganda. Perfect yung size niya, crossbody sa akin. And they have this as well. Ito gustong-gusto ko din to, kaya lang ganito yung kulay niya. Gold siya, caviar, medium flap. And yung lambskin din, so pretty. Diyan kami galing, guys. And pagkalabas mo, may bridge na magko-connect sa Fashion Mall. So punta kami Fashion Mall, guys. But ito yung view from outside. Kita mo yung CBS doon. And doon na magsa-start yung strip ata. Fountain na maliit, babe, oh. They've got lights there as well. So at night, it's gonna look really nice. Okay, let's go. This looks good as well. Yan yung nakita natin sa view kanina, yung Win na hotel, oh. Building, yan. Fashion show pala siya, guys, or fashion mall. Ewan namin, oy. Abercrombie & Fitch. I see Zara there. Ayun, ito pala yung lista, oh. Macy's, Nordstrom. Check natin yung Forever 21, guys. Take 20% off your first regular price. Purchase today. Okay. So, dito yung mga titingnan natin yung mga summer na clothes naman kasi mainit dito. Nakita ko yung sale area, guys. Kaya lang ang gulo. Ang dami. Parang nakaka-overwhelm dito. Kaya lang wala ko nagustuhan sa shoes so far. Ito, may mga itatry tayo, guys. Gusto ko pa sana magtingin-tingin sa mga maxi dress. Kaya lang ang tataas. Hindi ko abot. Ito yung mga itatry natin, guys. O, diba? Lakas ng loob. Mga maxi dresses talaga. Pero itong dalawang to, hindi naman siya ganun kahaba. So, parang same length lang siya nitong suot ko. Which is perfect. Pero ito, hindi ko siya maintindihan. Pero gusto ko siya i-try. Michael Kors tayo, guys. Ooh, and may Sephora sa baba. Yes. Kabili ako isang dress sa Forever 21. May Louis Vuitton dito, pero hindi na tayo papasok dyan. Hindi naman tayo bibili. Okay, dito. Tingnan natin. That's pretty. It's very light as well. Yeah, so you can put the keys here. Ang ganda! Z Gallery. Yung Christmas tree natin, guys. Oo, di ba? Inangkin ko. Look! Yes! Dito kami sa Victoria's Secret, guys. Yung mga brand nila, buy 2, get 1 free. Mga panty nila. Punta tayo CVS, guys. Doon, oh. Open siya 24 hours. So, akyat tayo dito, tapos punta tayo doon ay. Yung entrance niya. May bibilhin lang kami. Mga kailangan sa bahay. Charot. Tubig. Kasi alam niyo na yung tubig doon. Ang mahal-mahal. Naka-sensor yung tubig. Kapag inangat mo yung tubig, guys, or any item doon sa sensor, kapag nawala siya sa sensor for more than 30 seconds, i-charge ka na nila kahit hindi mo kinain. And aakalain mo, may libre silang tubig, diba? Walang libreng tubig, guys. Naka-sensor yung tubig. Pati yung nasa fridge, naka-sensor din. So, kapag inangat mo siya, nakaangat siya sa sensor ng mga 30 seconds, charge na! Kaching! 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 Bili ako nito. Voluminous Flash Paradise L'Oreal. Yung mascara na dala ko lang is yung heroin make lang. Waterproof ba to? Waterproof pa din siya, pero hindi naman siguro ito mahirap tanggalin. Gaya ng isa. Okay lang to. At least may option ako ba? That's you.
That's you.
Is that me?
That's you.
Is that you? That's a cool you. Alright, let's go, babe. Oh, water.
That's you.
Hey, babe. And then water as well.
Alright, let's go. Come on.
Balik na kami sa hotel, guys. Pahinga muna kami. And 5:30 daw alis kami ulit. Mag-hotel hopping. Oh, update pala sa di ba na-scam kami kahapon sa New York. Dan emailed the hotel, guys. And I think yung nag-reply sa kanya is si Victor. Yun yung manager na nakausap namin. Isa sa mga manager na nakausap namin nung nandun kami. Kasi nga, di ba, may problema sa heater and may problema sa wifi dun sa first kwarto na pinuntahan namin. And sinabi na Dan yung story kung ano ginawa ng bellboy. What's that? The bellboy, babe? That, basta yung nagtatrabaho dun. So sabi ni Victor, $85 talaga yung rate kapag galing sa hotel papuntang Newark. Pero dahil sa experience namin na sinabi nga sa amin $35, hindi 85, i-refund nila kami, guys, ng $85. Kasi meron ding mga review sa TripAdvisor dun sa specific hotel na yun, na dun yun din yung ginagawa nila. So yun, nag-apologize yung manager. So yeah, they're refunding us the $85. Update lang dun sa na yun.
Get some sleep, babe. You're gonna be tired.
I'm not gonna sleep. I need to edit.
Okay.
I'm gonna finish editing.
Hello, my babe.
Hello, guys. I slept again.
She slept. She's so tired.
I'm so tired.
This trip has worn her out. We're starting a game because she forgot her phone.
I forgot my phone.
So forgetful.
Nasa kami 37.
This your outfit of the day?
Yeah.
Come on, quick before the...
It's
And you're gonna have sore feet because she's decided she doesn't wear sneakers. So she can't complain tonight about how sore her feet is. It's not allowed.
You got it, my love. And we'll start again. Ang bigat na itong nila. Door. As in, grabe. Guys, first stop natin is the Venetian. So, nandito yung, anong tawag dun, babe? Gondola? Ito guys ay, yung parang same sa ano, yung nasa Manila. Yung Venetian Mall ba yun? Yan guys. Ang cool dito guys, oh, para kang nasa labas, pero indoor to siya guys. Dito pa din kami sa Venetian Hotel.
It feels like you're outside.
Yeah, it does. It does, with the lights as well. I think they did something. Yeah, kasi para talaga kaming nasa labas. Para bang nasa labas sa video? Dito kami sa St. Mark's Square, guys. So, parang inano daw nila, kinapi daw nila or inspiration nila yung sa Venice, Italy. St. Mark's Square doon. Tapos na kami sa The Venetian and si Dan naka-free screen protector. He is such a sucker for stuff like that. Pag may sinabi free at puntagan si Dan. Tapos nag-pitch si kuya ng benta niya na ano siya guys. After niya, free naman talaga, which is good kasi hindi siya nagsinungaling. Sila ate. Sa likod. Sabi ni Dan, keep filming kasi may mga dadating na ano. Sabi niya, oh, free to, ganun. Tapos sabi niya, can I show you something cool while you're here? Galing ni kuya, salesperson Pero hindi niya nabentahan si Dan. Ano siya, nagbenta siya ng case na may charger. Built-in charger ba? In fairness sa kanya, ang galing niya. Nandito kami guys sa The Link Hotel and yung pinunta namin dito is the In-N-Out Burger. Hindi pa namin yun na-try and we can see it from here, people. May malaking Ferris wheel. Yan. And yung In-N-Out nandun. Tapos sabi nila na show the car daw. So, the car.
Lamborghini.
Yes. Mura lang yung ano nila guys. Burger. First In-N-Out Burger namin guys. Yung in-order ni Dan is double animal style. So, meron silang pa-animal style, guys. May mga idadagdag na ingredients. So, yung fries niya, ginawa niya ding animal style. So, nilagyan nila ng bacon, onion, cheese. Yung akin, regular lang na, fries. Tsaka regular lang na cheeseburger. Okay lang siya, guys. Mas masarap yung Shake Shack. And, do you agree?
Butter?
Shake Shack?
It's better.
Yeah.
Do you agree as well?
It's not bad though. Like,
No, it's fine.
Gutom kasi ako, hindi pa ako kumain ng lunch. Guys, sabi ni Dan parang nasa middle na daw kami ng strip and nandito kami sa guys, parang Paris inspired naman siya. Meron siyang Eiffel Tower. Right there.
That looks good.
It does, yeah. Pumasok kami sa hotel at ganito na naman siya, may pa-daylight effect. $1 lang naman, $1. And we're in Vegas. So put your money there. Ooh. And there's a song. Hindi ko alam paano ito gawin.
Go. What do you want to press, babe?
I don't know.
Press this one.
This one?
Yeah. And now pull the slot. Pull the lever. Does it work?
No.
Okay, maybe press one of these ones.
Play 50 or play 100?
Play 50. Okay. So that costs you 50 cents to play because that makes you play 50 lines. Game over.
Game over already.
That's it, you lost $1.
$1 lost or $1 poorer. Shops tayo guys. Dito kami sa America shop guys. Picturean ko si Dan dito. Wait a babe. Sorry? 1 second. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job, malap. Dito kami sa labas ng Miracle Mile shop, guys. People watching and drinking beer. So, yan yung kaidan. It's weird, actually. It's creamy. Creamy siya na beer. Hindi ko siya gusto. Tinry ko siya ng konti. Ito naman yung akin, Miller Lite. Diba? Ang dami. Hindi ko yun mauubos. Sidan yung uubos. Laki kasi. Malalasing tayo. Hindi pa tayo tapos maglakad-lakad. Baka matumba tayo, babe. Alam mo na, makapatumba tayo malab. Guys, nandito kami sa MGM and pumunta kami doon sa malaking wheel. Nanalo ako, guys, $34. Ipapakash out namin siya.
Yeah, Raz. Go, spin wheel and pull it down. Press that and now pull.
Nasa hotel na kami, kakauwi lang namin. Nanalo ako $34 guys sa MGM. Yung ano siya, parang big na wheel. Dito wala, dito sa babae wala siya nung ganun. So, yung nandito sa baba, yung mga pokis-pokis lang. Hindi ko yun maintindihan. Anyway, we spent like $2 sa baba. So, we won $32 today. And nag-Uber kami from MGM to dito. So, we spent like $11 sa Uber. So, yeah. Anyway, close ko na tong vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye. Good night. Mwah.